Hey guys, so today we have another Lumia device to explore. So this one is Lumia 535, one of the devices which I have used in the past. So around 2015 to 2016, I used this Lumia 535 as an upgrade of my Lumia 430, and it was quite nice device back then. But how usable this device is in 2025? So let's find out. By the way, I bought this device around $10 because it was locked and I flushed the firmware. One issue of Lumia 535 is that when the device was released, it got touch issue. Microsoft did push an update for this device to fix the issue, but it did not really fix the issue. After Windows 10 update, the device got better, like touchscreen is working pretty well. So as you can see here, I have updated mine to Windows 10 right now. It is working fine and the touch is still not really that much responsive. So first of all, let's go with the physical overview of the device. So the display here is actually 5-inch. This one is TFT display. There is no clear black technology or anything like that, which is 540 by 960, a little bit higher than 480p display. The camera is really good here. The front facing camera is 5 megapixel. On the back, the rear facing camera is also 5 megapixel. Right hand side, we got our volume rockers and power button. On the top, we are getting a 3.5mm headphone jack. And on the bottom, we got our micro USB port for charging and data syncing. This is a dual SIM device, so you can use 2 SIM and 1 micro SD card. But unfortunately, this one is a 3G device. So Lumia 535, Lumia 540, both of them actually 3G device. So in many countries right now, 3G already shut it down, so you can't really use mobile network. These devices are not really that much usable anymore, even if you update this device to Windows 10. By the way, as you can see here, the device is running pretty well. Actually, I did try phone call and everything working perfectly fine as usual. But as I said, the application part, so you can't really get application for this device. Fortunately, you can actually sideload a lot of application here. As you can see here, I did install few games here. They are working pretty well. And if I show you the Windows version this device is running on, so this is running on official build of Windows 10. After updating this device to Windows 10, I got 2 updates for this device. The build number is actually, as you can see, the version is 1607. So this is the version it is running on. But I can update this device a little further. I don't really want to do that because the processor used here is actually pretty bad. It got a Snapdragon 200 processor, which is quad-core processor, coupled with 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of internal storage. But Windows 10 is optimized very well, so it still runs pretty well if you ignore the touch response. So touch response is pretty bad on this device. As you can see here, the Microsoft Store is still working, but there is no application at all. It is working though. You can get few application from here, like if I try to install My Piano. So we can install it. But older applications like Temple Run 2, those games used to be on Windows 8.1 store, but those are not here. So they removed all the application from the store. Few of them still available. One unfortunate thing is that there is no updated browser for Lumia devices. Because of that, actually browsing is pretty bad on this kind of devices. You can't really browse here. So the application is maybe installing right now. So starting download. So it is downloading. Let's check something else right now. So I did install few browser here, but all these browser actually outdated. Now if I try to watch YouTube on this device, it will be a little difficult actually. So if I try YouTube, so it is loading. It will struggle to load YouTube actually, but as you can see here, still working somehow. So let's try to play music here. By the way, the speaker is also not really that great here. And if I try a music, it can play up to maybe 480p, not more than that, because it will struggle a lot if you go more than that. The speaker quality is pretty bad of this device, and also the application we tried to install, it's installed now. We can use that. My phone piano. So still you can download few applications directly from your store, but it is much better to sideload application if you know how to do that. So it's working perfectly fine. And nowadays there is a YouTube application which is much better in terms of watching videos, and also you can download videos from that application. And I did install that application here, but for some reason it is not working on this device. So as you can see here, although I did able to install that, but not working on this device. Maybe it required higher version of Windows, then it will work. Maybe, I'm not really sure, but it is not working. As far as I know, this application is working on other devices. So in terms of gaming, you can still play these games, older games, if you sideload them. Like if I play Temple Run, that works really well on this device actually. So these older games runs pretty smoothly on this device. You can still play like Temple Run 2, Temple Run OZ, and few other games. They run pretty well. And also you can use emulator here. So if you want to play older stuff, you can still play by installing emulator. By the way, if I check the camera, so if you update your device to Windows 10, the Lumia camera will not work. You have to use the official Microsoft camera, which is pretty much similar to Lumia camera. As you can see here, you can take picture. But one thing which is missing here actually is that HDR support on this device. Usually if you update your device to Windows 10, they get HDR support, but you are getting all the manual mode and everything here actually, like Lumia camera. So you can manually choose whatever you want, like ISO, shutter speed, and white balance, those things. So those things are available. And one disappointing part of this device is that it can shoot up to 480p video, can't go more than that. And the front facing camera is actually much better than the rear facing camera. So as you can see, it can go up to 480p 30 fps, not more than that, because the processor is not really that good. So it is pretty limited. By the way, this kind of devices are going for $10 to $15. You can get better Lumia than this if you pay $15 actually, like Lumia 930. And Lumia 930 is much better option than this actually. It got better camera, better hardware, and really good display, and it runs pretty well actually. So this device is still pretty much usable here as 3G networks working. You can still use this device as a backup device just to listen music and for phone call and messaging. Besides that, actually you can't really do much here. If you buy one of these right now, it will be waste of money. Don't buy this kind of Lumia devices right now. If you really want to get a Lumia device to keep as a backup device, maybe Lumia 930, or best will be Lumia 950 or 950 XL. So that's all about my Lumia 535. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.